Welcome to the project demonstration of advanced security system for bank lockers using OTP and fingerprint biometric system. So here the process is like we are going to place the fingerprint in order to access our bank accounts, is bank locker, and when we place the finger, the system will send the OTP to the registered phone number which was linked to the respective fingerprint biometric system. Then after entering the OTP successfully from this keypad, so if both are access granted, then the system will display the message and green light will get switched on and the motor rotates for certain time as a presentation of bank locker, and after some time it will closes automatically. So this is the whole operation, and while you are entering the OTP or while you are accessing your account or bank locker by placing the wrong fingerprints or wrong OTP, then the system will capture the image with the help of this ESP32 camera, and the same image will be sent to the authority email ID as somebody accessing the unauthorized access for the respective account number. So that message will be the email consists of photo also. So in order to biometric reading, we are using R307 fingerprint module, and then after the system will send the message to this GSM module, and the so-called status continuously displayed on the LCD screen. If there is any unauthorized access done, then the audible alert through this buzzer as well as red LED indication, and if access granted, then this DC motor will be controlled with the help of this L293D motor driver, and 9 volts is a battery power supply for this DC motor. So here these two control buttons are used to format and store the fingerprints inside this fingerprint module. So when you press this one and reset the motherboard, then automatically the total fingerprints which are stored inside this module got erased, and you can store the new fingerprints also. So let us see the demonstration. The very first step is before demonstration of this project is log into the Gmail ID and password which was written on back side of this cardboard, and change the hotspot name to project 3H. All are small letters without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789. And after this hotspot enabled along with the data, the next step, first step is log into the Gmail and password. Second step, log on the hotspot and data with the name which I prescribed, and then insert a valid SIM card into the GSM module. So insert a Airtel, other than the Geo, you can use VI or BSN also. Insert that as I shown in this video, and after that log this. This particular SIM card should have the SMS balance or main balance for sending SMS alerts. Then after, so we'll show you the process. After successfully place the SIM card, hold the reset switch, means we should hold the microcontroller till the GSM modem got the signal. Now we can on the power supply to this GSM module, and then we can see one red light which is near this capacitor blinks at a duration of 1 second, this one, right? So when it got the signal, now the blinking red got slowed down, right? After this confirmation only, release this switch which I hold, this one. This is a reset switch which will hold the microcontroller in order to execute the operation. Right, now we can see the welcome message on the LCD screen. Place the finger now. So now if you want to erase the old fingerprints and fresh fingerprints to be stored, then here follow the steps. Right, so follow the steps, like press and hold this F button. So follow that clearly, press and hold and reset the switch. Press and hold till the data erased message should be displayed on the LCD, then you can release the switch. Right, on the erasing of the stored data, if you want to store that again, same follow the step, press and hold this S button only. Now press and release this reset switch. Release that means press and release that, hold it till the system display the message like place the finger to store. Now you can release the switch. So when you hold this one, reset the system, the respective operation should be executed, that will be displayed on the LCD. Till that we should hold that. Now if I place my finger, so place the finger till it display the stored date. Right, when it is displaying the stored at 01, then only it should remove the finger from this fingerprint module. Same like fingerprint 2 also. So for demonstration purpose, we stored the details for the fingerprints 2 only. So if it shows the like fingerprint stored 3, then again format, erase. So you should place the fingerprint module finger properly. Erasing. Now again S, reset. Now right. Okay. So place the fingerprint on the fingerprint module full cover and place it till it display the fingerprint stored at 1, and again right. So 1 and 2 only should be stored. If it is shown 3 instead of 2, then again format the whole fingerprints. Now let us see the demonstration, and for that main operation execution you should reset the system. So when you only reset the system, it will entering into the operation mode. So when you press and hold one of these buttons, then you will entering into the respective operation format or store. So place the finger. Right, user 2. So now system is sending the OTP. Right, we have received the OTP of 2026. Enter that 2026. So successful ending, success as granted. And then sorry, I forgot to tell you about this one. Yeah, this also should be the first step. We should connect this 9 volts battery connector initially, then only we can see the motor rotation. So now place it again. At 6079 6079. Right, access granted, you can see that. Right, so now it's locker open. So for demonstration purpose, we kept the duration only for 3 seconds. So when user 2. So here, if you entered the wrong password consecutively 3 times, again wrong password OTP, then the system will block your account. So I will show you that now. So I got the OTP of 1823. Instead of entering the correct OTP, just I'm entering the wrong OTP. Now the system will capture my photo now, and it will send the message alert to the concerned person related account number, the user 1 account blocked. And also the system is sending the email now. As I have enabled the hotspot and data right, I will show you that 2 images. So I will place the wrong fingerprint. Right, unregistered ID does not exist. So then the system is sending the photos to the registered email ID now. Let us see the photos also. Right, so just now we got the message. So now it is 3:28 PM. Just now we got the photos. Now, so these are the previous photos while we use them while testing. So these are now recent image. We have received it. Okay. Right. So for email sending, it will take around 20 seconds. We should provide the 4G data for that system. Then only it can send the images fast. And coming to the interfacing connections, so we have interfaced with fingerprint module at A0, A1 and E port and A port for this LCD screen, D0, D1 for these 2 control buttons, and transmitter pin, that is a C6 for this ESP32 camera, and 2 LEDs for D2 and D3, and red LED is parallelly connected to this buzzer. GSM module interface at the D6, D7, and keypad at B0 to B7, and our L293 motor driver is connected to the C0, C1 of PIC 18F4620. In our project we are using that. So these are all about the input and output modules of our project.